Got me honking like a goose. Oh my God, there's a goose right there. Got a pound, feet resting a pound. A bird back when this bitch don't walk on back. I'm that light of the guys. My bill be flat, yeah, and I'm so fly. The day I'm never dunker dog, dunker dog, dunker hog. She wants to run up front, now I'm flowing in her cloud. So I wrote her this song. So I wrote her this song. Like a got me honking like a goose. 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 Birds of a feather, making you sweat. Let's take off that sweater. I wanted some cheddar, so I went and get it better. From the pond to the lake, just a handful is all that it takes. I'm not great, see that sign? But wear snakes every day. I don't hide behind that hide, man. It is great. I wanna out in the sea, and when we start to freeze, we'll go back to the sea. I'm at the farm, but I don't want. You better keep her while you gaggle. Like a boo. Got me honking like a goose. Got me honking like a got me honking like a goose. Preparing and killed it flawlessly. Shout out to Trevor Whalen. That man can dance his ass off. Shout out to JJ's Red Pawn Shut Sport. Like I said, there's some merch over there if you want to snag some. Happy St. Patty's Day weekend. Stay safe. Peace and love. Honk honk.